Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Warner from TradingWinds.com, and this is our nightly update for May 6th, 2024. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we gapped up and then kind of went flatline for the rest of the day, but that move early this morning, held up, and we closed well into the green here. The Dow up 153 points. Now, what's interesting here is that if you look at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly now, they are aligned. Now, the weekly bar has not closed, so it is early that can change. But looking at the Dow, we closed here on Friday, right at this high or just above it, and we did technically follow through today. Now, very low volume day, very low range day, not exactly a convincing bullish type candle here. Uh, so I'm still a little hesitant. I still believe we roll back over, but looking at this right now, I would have to say, going by the chart, that it looks like there's a slightly better chance we go higher here near term than lower. So it's an uncomfortable spot to be because I don't have a lot of faith in this, but technically it is what it is, and we've overcome this high and followed through. For now, all three time frames are above the 20, so we can't deny that. We look at the S&P 500; it was up 50 points. Same thing. This was a little more convincing, slightly bigger range from low to high, but convincing. So right now, it looks like we should be targeting a move to the next prior pivot high. You look at the NASDAQ, same thing, up 180 today. Follow through. That's what we need. Low volume, yes, but all three time frames align. The Russell here also following through, up 23 points. The weekly, well, actually, it is now fallen in line as well. So that's where we're at right now. Let's see if we get a stronger push into tomorrow. If we look at crude oil, up 0.5%, and not bad overall. I mean, basically a pause is what this is. Last week was a very significant down week. Today, we start the week off with a slight gain here, but nothing major to talk about. Gold did a little better, up 25 points, still below the 20 though. So we'll continue to wait for that to move above. The silver futures right there, right at the 20. Big day today, up almost 4%, and a nice bounce off the high of this very lengthy channel. So that's encouraging. Just got a bit more to go here before we can actually, potentially take some action to the upside. But it is right there. Bond yields mostly lower, and the dollar pulled one out here. I mean, opened pretty much where we closed last week, dropped back below 105, and here we are ending the day back above, and with a slight gain on the day. I mean, pretty much flat, but it made back those losses, so that's encouraging. If we can get back above the 20, we may see another run here. But the only other one kind of encouraging move today was Nvidia. Nvidia, the higher time frames have been in line for a while. After we dipped below here, tried to get back above, we fell back, quickly moved back, and now last Friday took out this prior high, right? And this morning followed through, had a decent update, up almost 4% on the day, and certainly not a lot of overhead resistance. So Nvidia looking pretty good from here right now.